Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an overlay scroll effect in Squarespace. This effect adds a modern, layered look to your website by making sections scroll over one another, giving your site a polished, professional feel that stands out. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing pages and locate the specific page where you want to apply this overlay scroll effect. It could be your home page, a landing page, or any other section of your site. Once you've identified it, click on that page to open it up for editing. With your page selected, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll see several options for managing your site. Click on Website, which will expand to reveal more options underneath it. From this expanded menu, click on Pages. This section gives you control over all the individual pages and sections within your website structure. Next, you'll need to access the code customization area. Still on the left side menu, scroll down until you find and click on Custom Code. This is where Squarespace allows you to add your own CSS, JavaScript, and other custom elements to enhance your site's functionality and design. Once you're in the Custom Code section, click on Custom CSS. This opens up the interface where you can input styling code directly. Now here's where the magic happens. I've prepared a custom CSS code that creates the overlay scroll effect you're looking for. You'll see a text box displayed on the screen where this code is shown. Go ahead and copy this code exactly as it appears. This code tells your website how to layer sections so they scroll over each other smoothly, creating that modern overlay effect. Paste it carefully into the custom CSS field. Take your time with this step to ensure the code is copied correctly, as even small errors can prevent the effect from working properly. After you've pasted the code into the custom CSS field, look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the code editor. Click Save to apply your changes. This commits the code to your site and makes the overlay scroll effect active. And that's it. You've successfully added an overlay scroll effect to your Squarespace site, giving it a sleek, dynamic look that enhances the user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.